Moving on to method number 2, which I call author at beginning with no page number. I place the cursor right at the beginning of the passage, and then I choose or click on Zotero menu found at the top of the screen, and then I choose Add Edit Citation. A window pops up and I choose American Psychological Association, the 7th edition, and then I click the OK button. Now another small window, more or less like a bar, pops up. I am now going to look for my resource by typing the subject or the title of my resource. And once I have identified it, I click on it and it gets selected into the Zotero bar. And again, press the Enter key. I now have the citation right at the beginning of the passage, but no page number. And that was exactly what I wanted. I am now going to show you a slightly different method of citing an author right at the beginning of a passage. So again, I place my mouse right at the beginning, and then I click on Zotero menu and then choose Add Edit Citation. The Zotero toolbar pops up again, and again, like last time, I look for the title called Transformational Leadership in Education, and then I make my choice. This time I want to suppress the author, Mora, so I click on that resource that is placed in Zotero toolbar. You can see that it gets highlighted or it gets activated and a small window pops up. I am now going to check the checkbox that says Suppress Author and then press the Enter key. Again, press the Enter key. Now you see that the author's name is not displayed. This time, let me show you how to insert the citation using a slightly different method. So again, I place the mouse at the beginning of the passage and then I invoke Zotero menu and then choose Add Edit Citation. The Zotero taskbar shows up again, and this time I'm going to invoke Classic View. So Classic View, and then I search for the resource or for the reference by the name of the author. So I type Mora. As I type, the resources gets filtered. So finally, it zeroes down on one single resource that I was looking for, and then I click on it to be highlighted or to be selected, and then this time I want to suppress the author. You may choose to suppress it or not choose to suppress it, so it's all up to you. This time I'm going to suppress the author, so I click on the checkbox for Suppress Author and then click on the OK button. Now I'm going to show you how I can look for a reference or a resource by publisher. So again, I place my mouse right at the beginning of the passage and then invoke Zotero. Choose Add Edit Citation, and then the Zotero text box pops up. This time I am going to type the name of the publisher, called Transylvanian. So, and here I have the reference I was looking for. Click on it. You may or may not suppress the author. That's all up to you. Once done, again press the Enter key. This time I am going to show you how you may identify a resource by the year of publication. So as usual, I place my mouse at the beginning of the passage and then invoke Zotero and then click on Add Edit Citation, and then this time I enter the year of publication, that is 2012. Finally, my search key zeroes in on my reference. So I click on it, and then again, once it is placed in the Zotero taskbar, I press the Enter key. Of course, you may decide to suppress the author or not suppress the author. It's all up to you. And that's it. I am now going to generate the bibliography for the reference, and I have to make sure that I place my mouse where I want the bibliography to be generated. So make sure you do that. And once I'm done with that, I click on the Zotero menu and then I choose Add Edit Bibliography, and the bibliography will be generated.